In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities to create and sell digital products. From ebooks to online courses, software applications to graphic design templates, the options are vast and varied. In this video we'll explore the top 5 best and easy ideas to create digital products. 1. Ebooks. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to create and sell courses, and you can use video, audio, and text to create engaging lessons. You can even create a course on a topic you're passionate about but don't have any experience in yet, and learn as you go. When creating an online course, it's important to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and passionate about teaching. Your course should provide value to your students and help them achieve their goals. You can also consider offering additional resources like worksheets or quizzes to help reinforce the material. 3. Software applications. If you have programming skills, creating a software application can be a great way to solve a problem or meet a need. Whether it's a mobile app or a web-based tool, there are many opportunities to create digital products that people will find useful. Consider creating a tool that saves time or makes a process easier, like a project management app or a budgeting tool. When creating a software application, it's important to research your target audience and understand their needs and pain points. Your application should be user-friendly and solve a specific problem. You can also consider offering a free trial or a limited version of your app to entice users to try it out. 4. Graphic design template. If you have a talent for graphic design, creating templates that others can use for their own projects can be a lucrative opportunity. For example, you could create templates for social media posts, business cards, or presentation slides. You can sell these templates on platforms like Creative Market or Etsy. When creating graphic design templates, it's important to consider your target audience and their needs. Your templates should be easy to use and customizable, and offer a professional look and feel. You can also consider offering a variety of templates for different industries or niches. 5. Stock photos and videos. If you're a skilled photographer or videographer, creating a library of stock photos and videos that others can use in their own projects can be a great way to earn passive income. You can sell these on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Make sure to focus on popular themes and topics, like travel, technology, or business, to maximize your sales potential. When creating stock photos and videos, it's important to consider your target audience and their needs. Your photos and videos should be high quality and offer a variety of perspectives and styles. In conclusion, there are many opportunities to create and sell digital products. The key to success is to find a niche or area of expertise that you're passionate about and create a product that provides value to your target audience. When creating a digital product, it's important to invest time in research and planning to ensure that your product is meeting a specific need or solving a problem. In addition, it's important to make your product stand out in a crowded market. You can do this by creating a professional and attractive design, offering additional resources or features, or pricing your product competitively. Ultimately, creating and selling digital products is a great way to share your expertise, earn passive income, and build a brand. With the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Thank you for watching.